Hello dear friends! To edit faster and easier, do this. To copy a file in timeline, you can copy it by holding the Alt key and drag that item. In addition, all adjustments and changes are also copied. By holding the Control key, you can change the length of only one side of the transitions. Normally, by changing one side, the other side also changes. In the Color tab, if you are satisfied with the settings of a video and want to apply it to another video, just select the second file that is not yet color grade and middle-click on the first video. If you have a file in the timeline that is fully edited and you should use it in several places, just drag and drop that file from timeline to media pool. The file is placed in media pool with all its features. It's better to change the file name to avoid confusing because it has the same name with the original file. To see the before and after change for a file in Color and Fusion, it's better to use the bypass button. Sometimes you need to make a change to a group of files, but it will take a long time to do. There is a better way. From the Effect tab, go to the Effects section and throw the adjustment clip into the timeline. Now make changes on it. Note that changes only affect files under the adjustment clip. The Trim tool can be used to equalize the end or first multiple files in the timeline. First, select Trim Edit Mode. Then, select the end of the files and take the playhead to the place you want. Now, press the E key. This is called Extend Edit. Be sure to use the shortcuts and customize them. The three important shortcuts are the J, K and L keys. To move frame by frame, hold the K and press J or L. To move a file in the timeline, it's better to use shortcuts. Ctrl, Shift and dot to move entire file to the right and Ctrl, Shift and comma to move the file to the left in the timeline. On keyboard for keys dot and comma, there are two other signs that can prevent you from confusing. If you want to change the parts you have selected from the original file, it's better to use Sleep Edit. First, select Trim Edit Mode. Then, take the mouse to the top of the video and drag it to the side you want. You can watch this video for more detail about Sleep Edit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.